Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are going to be making pork ribs in a red sauce. But before we dive into our recipe, I wanted to take a moment and say a huge thank you to all of the people that are part of Fat Boy Cooking. Your support does mean the world to me, whether you're just trying out one of the new recipes, leaving a comment, or just watching. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, ouch, and ring that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So with that out of the way, let's grab our aprons, get our ingredients, and let's make some pork ribs in red sauce. For our ribs in red sauce, you're going to need the following: pork riblets or pork cross-cut spare ribs, and you can also use a pork roast. Ancho chilies, Trujillo chilies, I know I probably pronounced it wrong, garlic, white onion, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, oregano, tomatillos, jalapenos, and consomme. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to get our vegetables boiling. So to a pot with water, and I filled this up about halfway, we are going to add in our onions and our tomatillos and our jalapenos. So we are going to cook these for about 15 to 20 minutes till they're almost done, and you'll probably notice that the skin on the tomatillos will probably start to split. Alright, so this has been going for about 15 minutes, and as you can see, our tomatillos are starting to split open. So we're going to go ahead and remove these out. Ouch. Gotta be careful not to burn myself. And now we're going to add in our dried chilies and let them steep till they become soft. Alright, so our chilies have been steeping for about 15 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and remove these out of the water. And we're going to get over to the blender. So now that our vegetables are all done, we're going to move these to a blender. And I'm trying not to make too big of a mess. There we go. Add our tomatillos, our onion, and our jalapeno. Then we're going to add in some garlic, some oregano, and consomme. And then our rehydrated chilies. Alright, let me get this out of the way. And then we are going to add in 1 cup of water that we used for our vegetables. And we are going to puree this till it is smooth. So now that our vegetables are all done, we're going to move these to a blender. And I'm trying not to make too big of a mess. There we go. Add our tomatillos, our onion, and our jalapeno. Then we are going to add in some garlic, some oregano, and consomme. And then our rehydrated chilies. Alright, let me get this out of the way. And then we are going to add in 1 cup of water that we used for our vegetables. And we are going to puree this till it is smooth. And there we go. Now we can move over to getting our pork bites ready. So we have some oil heating up in a skillet over a medium-high heat. To this, we are going to add in our pork. And what we're going to do, we're going to cook this for a few minutes till it gets a nice sear on it. And then we're going to continue on with adding some spices and then get all our sauce added up in here. Okay, so everything is coming along nicely. We got a nice little brown going on our pork. So to this, we are going to add our onion powder, garlic powder, and cumin. Going to give that a quick stir. And now we are going to add 1 cup of water. And give this a quick stir. And we're going to put a lid on this and let this go for about 20 minutes. So this has been going for 20 minutes. And now we're going to add in our red sauce. And I'm going to add me just a little bit of water to this and give this a quick shake. Yep. Give this a good stir. And then we're going to cover this and let it cook for another 20 or 30 minutes. So this has been going an additional 20 minutes. And we're going to see if our pork is tender. Oops, I hit a bone. Oh yeah, we are good to go. So we're going to get this off of the stove and get this over and get this plated up. So I've got me some Spanish rice set up as a side for my pork ribs. And so now I'm going to get me a big old scoop. Now that we're plated up, let's eat. All right, so everything's all set up and good to go. Now we're going to give this a bite. Perfectly tender, and the red sauce is really good. So I hope you really do give this one a try. It is a great Mexican dish. And so let me know what you think about it in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the recipe. And as always, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. And until next time, enjoy cooking in the kitchen, and I'm going to finish off these pork ribs or riblets in this red sauce.